Hi guys, I'm Adele
And I'm Olivia.
and today we're going to make chocolate chip cookies. But let me tell you the ingredients first. So,
And me too.
First we need butter and flour, which you see that this is where the flour is going to be, and sugar and brown sugar, 1 egg, and the salt and the vanilla sugar, and also the baking soda, and also the oat flakes, and chocolate and the nuts, the smashed nuts.
Let's start.
Okay.
Butter there. And don't put on your t-shirt this time.
Yeah. Don't. I won't forget. Oh, it's a ball! It's a perfect ball! You want to put the sugar inside?
Should we put all of it?
Yes. There's never enough sugar, okay? Guys, there's never enough sugar. Yes! That's how much we need to put inside. And I'll put this one. Oh, it's the color of chocolate. And this is chocolate, but it's darker.
Okay, let's mix.
Yeah, but we need to make it really carefully, and until it will be a mass, okay? A mess, not a mass. Not a mess, a mass, okay? Okay, forget that I said mess, okay? I didn't say
She's so good at the beginnings.
Really, that's true. She's forgetting. Because I'm saying everything. This is kind of hard. Wait, I think. Oh no! My beautiful sugar. I better get some more sugar. Should we? Okay.
No.
Okay. So, and maybe one of us should mix it because it won't get so good. Wait, I'll smash it and you'll mix it, okay?
I'm to smash too.
Okay. Let's both smash it and then mix it, okay?
You're making a mess.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. See? This wasn't here. I only made this, not there.
It was always there.
No, you made this part.
You
I made
were
only the white. No, I saw it. I was looking there and I saw that you put that there. I put this here.
Oh, we did it. But
Hey, it doesn't stick anymore to mine.
Yeah. I think it's ready. It's great. This is how it needs to look like, guys, okay? This, okay?
Okay. Just put the egg in there.
Yeah.
Why we should put these out first? Just like, you can hold them.
Oh, no. Do it strong. Come on. Please do it strong, Olivia.
Not that good at breaking eggs.
Should I do it?
Please.
Okay.
Just don't put any shells there.
Okay. Ooh, that was a close one. Goodbye, eggs. Could you please give me a tissue? A tissue, but it's not for my nose. I need to put this in the garbage. It needs to look very slimy, right? Just like slime.
Let's turn the green over there.
It's almost ready. We're bumping into each other. Guys, did you expect these to run out? Or did I show these? We had these stickers on us. These are some nice liquid. Wait, let me see.
No,
It's
yet.
almost ready.
Yeah, it's almost ready. I'm gonna show them something later.
Oh, I think it's ready. This is how it needs to look like. Really gooey, like slime.
Okay.
So now let's put the flour. Put the flour. Just put the flour.
We have spoons.
Come on, put it here. And I'll tap. Just, oh, a bit of it came out. Everything.
I know. We should put this a bit aside so we can put this a bit closer.
Look at this fluffiness.
Yeah, that's so beautiful.
Oh, it's snow. It's like snowing. We just need
bigger so we can put them there. And it'll be snowing on them.
Yeah. When you look under it, guys, it looks like it's snowing. And you need a tap, okay? Like this. You need a tap so it'll be all fluffy. Wow, look at those rocky parts.
Yeah, that's like snowy mountains. Look, that's almost completely like
Look
snow.
at these rocks.
We're getting messy.
It's okay. Getting messy is fun. Actually.
I wish it could rain flour. That'd be so cool.
Yeah, and then it will be all flour.
Oh, even better. I wish there was a pool full of flour. It would be raining flour.
Yeah.
And gummy bears. And gummy worms.
And chocolate. And chocolate cookies. Because we're making them now.
And chocolate gummy bears.
Yeah.
What's that?
It's a chocolate that is a gummy. You put sugar in there.
I did not.
I'm gonna throw that.
That's how humongous hell.
Looks like the. What did you do to the fountain? Okay, now you could take all of this and then put it. Look, this is all left. This is all what's left. So I'll put that here.
Okay. My squishy kitty cat.
All flour.
We're back.
And my mom cleaned all of this mess because it was pretty messy.
Okay, here is like baking soda, and here's like vanilla sugar,
And salt. What did you do? It's a mess again. No.
We always do a mess. Don't worry. This will. The oil was much.
This
bigger.
is how much salt we're gonna put inside an our good cookies.
Okay, I do baking soda.
Oh,
Stop it! And now vanilla sugar. Okay.
Now let's mix. We'll both spin, okay?
And now mix this one.
Spin. Why did I say spin? Stir. Stop it. Stop it.
You did it first.
I accidentally did it for no reason.
Squishy cat.
Okay, just leave it alone. Squishy. You're squishing the cute cat. Okay, I'll do this. Ooh.
Leave my spoon alone. Keep my spoon.
There's barely anything inside.
Spoon.
Not yet. We're not mixing it.
Now I'm gonna mix, then add more. Did you hear
Okay.
her? Oh, this is kind of like weird. It's like dough that's like, whoa, that's so cool. It's like egg wrapper thingies.
It's so smooth. Oh my god. It snowed again.
Yay!
But it's gonna snow later. Because it's getting cold, right? In the winter. But seriously.
Yeah. Maybe we can make a video when we're going to take a bucket full of snow and spill it on us.
Yeah. And we're gonna make a gigantic snowman. Okay?
That'll be outside.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the snow would melt inside. So.
Oh, I know a video we could do. We're gonna take a big bucket of flour and then we're gonna jump in.
Okay.
Us.
We can put more.
Okay. And we do like that. Putting it at the same time. And we could put it like this.
Ah, the one's sticking! It doesn't want to go to the cookies!
Then put it on the cookies. It doesn't want to be eaten, right? It doesn't want to be eaten.
Yeah, it doesn't want
Oh,
to
so fluffy. Oh,
Yeah, you
so
know.
fluffy.
Yeah, I know. And because it doesn't want to go to the sea and drown, because when we eat it, well, you know.
Freaking.
Just keep it, and they'll go into the sea. Okay, we had some help again. Now we can continue.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's chocolate chips, and that's all flakes. And you can say that.
Nuts. Smash nuts. So, and I need to tell you something very important. This chocolate can't be usual chocolate because it won't be that yummy when it's gonna be in the chocolate chip.
Yes. So wait a minute.
It needs to be
get something.
a chocolate that is for the chocolate chip cookies. Okay?
My suitcase
With gummies that are not real.
They're real.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot. I'm gonna take one.
Me too. I'm gonna take a few.
What?
Delicious.
You could never have enough sugar in your mouth. Right. Oh, this is so hard.
How about the nuts?
Yeah. Everything.
I'm gonna try one.
Try some nuts. We're gonna eat all of this, okay?
Yummy.
Stop it! It's a lot of chocolate now too.
One stage. Okay, so like we're going to make some balls. Like we're just going to take a bit of this and
then take it with our hands.
Put it on our hands. Then we're just gonna put it into the oven. We're going to bake.
Wait. I need to tell you guys something because we're gonna bake it straight away so this video won't be that long because we need to put it in the refrigerator for half an hour. What is it? It's such a small cookie. But guys, it needs to be bold and it should be far from each other, okay?
Bold.
Because it is gonna spread out in the oven. So it needs to be far from each other. So it's gonna be a big cookie. Oh, this one's gonna be a gigantic cookie later. Then we're gonna eat the cookies. Sorry, I didn't take it from the spoon.
We're splashing.
You splashed right here. Yeah, that's okay. Even though the cookies are gonna be everywhere, so yeah.
Hey, that's close to each other. That's closer than here.
I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna take another slice and roll it.
Like, I hope this is I just put it. One line is like this, and it has big bake, and one line it doesn't have bake.
We're never going to be done.
We're done. At least I'm done.
Wait, I need to put this last cookie. The beautiful cookie. It's on my beautiful hair.
Now she's down. Whoa, see how they're melting down. Look at the small ones, they're melting down so fast. Oh, they're even tiny ones. And they're not even...
Okay. Now we baked all of these delicious cookies. They're perfect. Yeah. Do you remember the little cookies we made? They're so cute.
They're so cute.
Look, this one is so small.
This one's tiny.
This one is so
You don't even see them, I think.
Okay.
They're cute.
Oh.
They're skinny.
This is the biggest one.
Yeah.
Wait, there's two big ones. So now, but we need to tell you something first. So, chocolate chip cookies are great with some cold milk, but if you don't like milk,
You don't need to have it with. Just enjoy the cookies.
yeah. So we're gonna take it with this spoon because it's pretty hot. It's kind of easy. Now it's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, pancake. Burned. It's burned pancake. You'll see the pancake video later.
Yeah. Actually, sooner. Because the pancake video is
I need to start eating. I'm really hungry, so
delicious. I'm going to try this one.
I'm gonna try a big cookie.
Yum.
Why aren't you having your milk?
I don't like milk, remember? They're delicious.
Oh, then I'll have yours.
Oh, this part is soft.
Thank you for this. Thank you for your milk. Very much. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.